Introducing the newest member of our popular Swift family. Lightweight, reliable, and built for the city. These e-bikes have already won over commuters and explorers alike. Now, the Swift CVT Lite raises the bar with a sleek, step-through frame, NVOLO CVT hub, and the proven Bafang M420 mid-drive motor. Smooth and ready for everything. This is our lightest Swift yet. Featuring the NVOLO CVT, enclosed in an oil bath, protected from dirt, water, and mud, and virtually maintenance-free, the Swift CVT Lite delivers silky shifts and lasting durability. Forget the old world of clunky gears and noisy shifts. With the CVT, you get seamless range of ratios, twist, flow, and keep moving. Smooth acceleration across all speeds. Effortless gear transitions with zero jarring stops. 250-watt mid-drive motor, all the power you need without the bulk. NVOLO CVT system optimized for urban climbs and open roads. Up to 75 kilometers of battery range and an ultralight frame for nimble handling. The Swift CVT Lite is one of the lightest bikes we've ever made. Whether you're chasing your morning commute, cruising the boardwalk, or running errands, the Swift CVT Lite adapts to your pace, your style, your rhythm. The best feature of this bike, if I come up to a stop sign, I don't have to worry about downshifting into a lower gear to get going again. I can just twist into a lower ratio while I'm stopped. This isn't just a commuter, it's your shortcut. Your weekend weapon, your escape from the grind. The future doesn't wait, neither should you. With the Swift CVT Lite, you can ride smoother, ride smarter, ride now.